Hey everybody, it's Christy. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, you probably are because my channel's really new. So thank you for being here. That means a lot to me. If you've watched me before, you're the real MVP. I really like you, care about you, love you. Thank you so much. So before we get started, a few things here. Please like this video, give me a huge thumbs up. That would mean a lot to me. Subscribe to my channel. I would love you forever, and leave a comment down below. You can leave a nice comment or a comment suggesting a video. This channel is really new, so I can kind of do with it what I want, and I'm really excited. So you're probably wanting to get in today's video, which is a unboxing of sorts. This is an Influenster voxbox unboxing. I am so excited for this. This box is a voxbox from Influenster. This is the finesse voxbox. It has a name, just like every month or every box they send out has a name or a theme. So if you don't know what a voxbox is or what Influenster is, girl, you need to know. So Influenster is a app that you get, or it's a website, and they basically like have you connect all your social media, and they determine whether you have a high following or a low following or whatever, and they send you boxes based off that. So I've gotten about 6 boxes now. So they expect from you, when you get a box from them, you take a bunch of quizzes and whatever kind of stuff, and they match boxes to what fits your personality, what fits your lifestyle, and they'll send you a box. Now what they expect out of you from this box, it's completely free, doesn't cost any money, but they want your honest opinion, your honest review about the products that they send you in the box. When they send you the box, they expect that from you, out of you. So that's the price you pay, is your time in giving them reviews for the products in the box, and you get it for free. So it's actually a lot of fun, and I really enjoy it. And you don't have to have a YouTube to do it. You can do it off of Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Like, you can share it anywhere, it doesn't matter, but you just have to share it. You just have to let them know that you've shared it. And or you can get like penalized, like you have to sign an agreement, everything. So this is my voxbox from this month, and this is the finesse voxbox is what it's called. Oh, it's hard to open. Oh. So in this voxbox, it has a lot of different stuff. The past voxboxes I've gotten a Maybelline one with a bunch of their new liquid lipsticks to try. I've gotten a Maybelline mascara one. I've gotten a L'Oreal something, another one I don't remember, and one that was full of nail polishes. I've gotten a couple of different ones. Most of the ones I've gotten are beauty, but I did go ahead and make a different Influenster account because I wanted to try to get more into lifestyle voxboxes as well as beauty voxboxes. And also a disclaimer, when you sign up for this and you connect your social media or whatever, you are not promised to get a voxbox. You have to be very interactive on the app, writing reviews for products you've already used, bought on your own. You have to take what's called snaps, where they quiz you. That's where you kind of review stuff, like see your lifestyle. So I did make a new voxbox with the intent of trying more lifestyle products and things as well. And just because you do all of this stuff does not mean that you're promised to get anything. Sometimes you don't get anything at all. It just depends on how interactive on the app you are, how much of a following you have, and you don't have to have a huge following. I only have like a 4,000 person reach. It's what they call reach. And I've gotten multiple voxboxes. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and quit rambling and show you what is in this month's, or not this month's, this voxbox. They send out tons every month. So the card is this finesse voxbox, which is actually super cute. I really like this a lot. It shows the prices. It shows the prices of everything and what they cost and whatever. So the first thing that I got, which is really weird to me, but I did want to branch out into more lifestyle stuff, is minute rice, ready to serve. It's organic minute rice, red quinoa brown rice with garlic. They're like these cups, and you put them in the microwave, I'm assuming. Yeah, you microwave them. This seems like a lot of carbs to me. Not that I care. Who am I kidding? Anyways, I don't know. I just don't think this is something that I will like, but I am promised to try it, so I will end up trying it, giving my review on it online, and seeing how I like it. but I don't think I'm going to like this. The very next thing is, this is an Ollie Superfoods protein smoothie. It's a powder mix for a smoothie, and you just put it in your drink, I guess, and it makes it good. I don't know, it's apparently really healthy for you. This honestly looks, it's called Superberry. It looks like it would taste really good, so I'm actually really excited. It's supposed to be really healthy for you, so I'm really excited about that. And yeah, I'm ready to try it. So then there's 2 more things left in the box. I know it's not like a huge box, whatever, but it's still like fun to get because it's cool. Like, you get to try stuff that you don't have to pay for. This thing is a beauty product. Well, it's a hair product. It's Not Your Mother's Naturals Blue Sea Kale and Pure Coconut Water Weightless Mousse with Flexible Hold. Looks like this. I've tried hardly anything from the brand Not Your Mother's. Ooh, it smells so good. If you know me, you know that coconut is my thing. I don't really like coconut water, but I love the smell of anything that has to do with coconuts. Like, the smell of coconut is so good. Like, it's my favorite. All of my hair products are coconut, and I love it. So I'm excited to try this. I don't really know how to use it because I don't ever use mousse in my hair, but that doesn't mean that I'm not willing. Move, my cat. Doesn't mean that I'm not willing to try it. It says shake well, apply 2 to 3 pumps and distribute evenly, style as desired. So I don't know if that means if your hair is wet or if it's dry that you put this in there. I don't know. I'll have to like look up online more how to use it. Oh my goodness. This is like the best smell ever. Like, it smells amazing. I don't know what to do with this. I'm just gonna wipe it on my floor. Don't tell my mom. But anyways, I'm excited to try it because I've never tried anything like it. And so that's like the whole point of this, is branching out, trying things you normally wouldn't try, seeing how you like them, and then reviewing them. So yeah. Anyways, the next thing that I'm going to try, or that last thing that's in here, is Essie nail polish gel couture color and top coat. So this is like they even bubble wrapped it. This is like the idea that Sally Hansen came out with. They came out with nail polishes, and then you would put the top coat over it, and it's supposed to be like gel polish without the UV light, and that's basically what this is, which I'm so excited for because Essie nail polishes are expensive, and your girl doesn't pay that much money for no nail polish. And I don't even do my nails because I know I try not to like show them too much up close because they're really bad. I'm a nail biter, and that's disgusting, I know. But anyways, this is like a really gorgeous color. It's called yeah, I don't know what it's called. I don't know. But it's really cute, or whatever. It's so cute. Like, it's kind of, oh, I didn't show it to you. Okay. So this is it. It's like a twisted shape, dude. That's so cute. Okay, I'm weird. I know. So this is it. It's a grayish blue holographic type of shade. I'm just gonna go ahead and paper swatch it. Oh, so it turns out more gray than blue, definitely. It's like a silver with a blue tint is what I would call it. And it doesn't show up on camera, the color of it, but it's still super cute. Like, I'm really digging it, actually. Oh, it's 164 Closing Night is the shade. And then this is 00 top coat. This is just the plain top coat you put over it to make it like a gel. So I've never tried Essie's line of these, of their gel polishes. I've never tried these, but I'm excited to try it. I'll probably try it on my toes because, like I said, my fingernails I never really paint on because I feel like it draws attention to them, and they're already like really gross and ugly. So yeah. Anyways, so that concludes this voxbox unboxing for the Finesse voxbox. I'm super excited for this. This is really awesome. I can't wait to get my next one, and you should totally try it too. I will leave it linked down below. And yeah, so that's really it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you for supporting me, watching me. Don't forget to follow all my social medias: Instagram at Christie.Pipkins, Twitter at Christie.Pipkins, YouTube at The Life of Christie, Snapchat at chris.pip, Visco at Christie.Pipkins. I know I'm annoying, but I'll leave those all linked below. And thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next one. Good. So I'm actually really excited to try this one. Princess. I'm really excited to try this one. Be a unboxing kind of. Oh, my ears. They're so ugly.